Sprout, where are you? It's time for the show, Professor Sprout.
Bee Hive, over here.
I hear you, Professor, but I can't see you. Where are you?
You look a little closer.
Closer.
Right here.
Oh, Professor, I didn't see you there even with my compound eyes. However did you do that?
Well, it's called camouflage, Bee Hive.
Camouflage? Ooh, like the military.
No, not like the military. It's just one of the many ways that our living friends are able to adapt to their environment and survive.
Ooh, sounds interesting.
It is, and that is what today's episode is going to be about. So let's go and grow. One adaptation that we are going to look at today are teeth, and the way that animals are able to capture and eat their prey, if it is prey. So there are three types. One group is the herbivores. Herbivores eat only plants. You have a horse, a deer, and then a porcupine and a beaver. Another kind of consumer are the carnivores. They like to eat meat. We have a wolf skull, a mountain lion, and a dolphin. And the last one here today is called an omnivore, and in this case we have a bear skull. So let's take a little bit closer look. Let's start off with the herbivore first. First off, this one, the deer. If you can focus in on here, you can see that right here, these type of teeth are made specifically for grinding and chewing foods, such as plants and other things of that sort. So it allows this creature to chew its food. Another kind is the carnivore, and these teeth are quite different. In the front, we have these very large canine, very sharp teeth that they use to grab a hold of their prey. And then in the back, all of their teeth are very sharp, unlike the molars that we just saw in the deer. These ones are sharp, which allows them to shred the meat and flesh of the creature that they are eating. And then the last one, the omnivore, we have this bear skull, my favorite. The omnivore has both kinds of teeth because they can eat both plants and animals. In the front are the large canines used for grabbing and tearing, and then in the back are the flat molars that allow them to grind up their food.
Oh, Professor, what big teeth you have.
Oh, all the better to grind you with. Now what we have here is a very neat species. This is the molars and lower jawbone of a mammoth. These molars are so large, and in a mammoth it was an herbivore, which means it had teeth that were used for grinding. It's perfectly adapted for its diet. Bee Hive, what are you doing?
Oh, Professor, I didn't see you there.
Turn that thing off.
Sorry. Let me get this off there.
Why do you have a light, Bee Hive?
Well, Professor, I'm trying it out as a new adaptation so I can see at night.
No, Bee Hive, that's not how adaptations work.
Oh, it's not?
No. See, plants and animals, they adapt over time. They change, or they evolve. And when they do that, they become stronger and faster and better suited to survive in their environment.
Oh.
Yeah, so you just can't pick up a light and adapt or change.
Well, there goes my night vision, I guess.
Well, And did you know that if species don't evolve or adapt over time, then they become extinct?
Ooh, extinct! I've heard of that word!
Yes, yes, like our friend here, the dinosaur.
The dinosaur! Oh, the dinosaur!
Bee Hive! Bee Hive, where are you? It's time to end the show. Bee Hive? Oh my goodness! Look at you!
How'd I do? Did I learn a lot about camouflage?
You did. Oh,
Thank you.
well.
It was such a great show you had today. I learned so much about how to adapt.
Well done. I'm glad you learned something.
Well, thanks, Professor Sprout. It's been a treat to be with you today.
Indeed it has. Well, I'm Professor Sprout.
And I'm Bee Hive.
And tune in next time where we'll grow you more
With some sweet